Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the better condition of your health. So dear viewers, warmly welcome in my channel. Dear viewers, in this captivating video, today we dive deep into the world of curly hair transformation, showcasing a plethora of the outstanding short haircut ideas that will leave you inspired and ready for your next salon appointment. So dear viewers, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and I suggest you to watch my video till end, because today in this video you can see curly hair and its styles and unique ideas, and you can see that by my video how the curly hair is a beautiful canvas for creativity. And in this video we explored the endless possibilities of the short hairstyles that embrace and enhance those natural curls. So dear viewers, as the video progresses, you can see that we unveil a series of the before and after transformation that will amaze you. From chic pixie cuts to easy bob hairstyles are here in this video. Each haircut is tailored to unique and natural beauty of the curly hair. So dear viewers, throughout the video, you will discover the latest trend in curly hair fashion, from curly bangs to textured layer, all the design to help you express your individual styles. So dear friends, we also offer the practical evidence, advice and tips along with very amazing ideas about the haircut designs. Whether you have been contemplating a dramatic change or are simply looking for fresh ideas to revamp your curly look, this video is your ultimate source of inspiration. So dear viewers, join me on a journey of the self-expression and self-confidence as I explore outstanding short haircut ideas for curly hair, helping you embrace and celebrate your unique beauty. So dear viewers, say goodbye to hair-related problems and hello to a new you with these transformative short haircut for curly hair. So dear friends, don't miss out on this opportunity to redefine your curly hair journey. Thanks for